Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And as a lot of people have noticed, there was a second update this week for Google Chrome. Now, they are not saying anything particular. There's a blog post that does say there were some fixes for some bugs. So either a major bug happened that needed to have another update, or there could be some security update, or maybe even a 0-day. We don't know yet because Google stays pretty quiet in general on some of these updates. So this, of course, is a second update for Chrome. So if you were watching my weekly video earlier this week with the first update, now if you go into the three vertical dots, Help and About Google Chrome, the update brings you to 143.0.7499.170 or 171, depending on the version of the operating system you're using. So looking at the blog post, like I said, there's a lot of the little bug fixes in there, but there's always some small tweaking of the system or of the Chromium and Chrome browser every week, but there's no talk of any security flaws, but I wouldn't be surprised. There could be a security flaw in there. So anyways, if you do get another update, it's normal. There were two updates this week for Google Chrome. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.